When the ark was finished, God said, "It's time." Animals came two by two, big ones, small ones, all kinds. Noah, his family, and the animals went inside the ark. God closed the door to keep them safe. Then the rain began to fall. The rain fell and fell. The rain didn't stop till everything in was flooded. Inside the ark, Noah's family was safe. God was watching over them. Even though the storm was loud, God's care was stronger. God protects those who trust him. God is with us during hard times. After many days, the rain stopped.